Hi, I'm Janelle, but you can just call me Jelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another productive cleaning video, but first, it's Sunday morning, so let's get cozy and start by cleaning off my desk. I know I just made a Disney Dreamlight Valley video on my channel, which did really well, and it got me like 60 subscribers. So if you're here from that video, I really appreciate you watching this too. This is kind of the same continuation of my channel that I'm doing now. I want to do the cozy vlogs I've been finding I like to do, but still live streaming video games and crafts and doing those Dreamlight Valley update videos, because those are really fun for me to do. So I'm turning everything on and cleaning off my desk so I can get cozy and drink coffee to start my Sunday morning. I have my Elgato light strip. It's attached to my mini stream deck, and just picking out the color that I want for the day. And I'm switching my switches because I wanted to work on my Wizard of Oz Island. I put in my older switch and it wasn't all the way charged, so I ended up not doing that. And I'm unboxing this adorable toast lamp that I got from Becca. Bought it off my throne. Thank you so much again for buying me this, Becca. And you can see me unbox it here and get it set up.
What are you trying to do for dinner tonight, Jen?
I want Chipotle. I want Chipotle.
Chipotle for dinner?
I had a dream that you got me Chipotle and you were like, I know you normally get the kids chicken quesadilla, but I got you the burrito bowl instead, so if you can't eat all of it, that's okay. Ah! He's so cute! Look at him, he's a piece of toast, he's so great. Wait. Ooh. He's such a cute piece of toast. It is now the next day, and I had just gone grocery shopping, and I did a little bit of a fridge clean out, so let's be productive together while I clean the fridge and put the groceries away. So I'm trying not to overthink this too much, just kind of putting things together. All those drinks, I put them together up there. I hope this is satisfying for you. I'm transferring all of our eggs into this little egg carton holder. It makes you feel like that girl, with the eggs and stuff. But there was 2 left that didn't fit, so I just ended up putting those ones on top. I guess I should have put the old ones in the container now that I think about it, so that we would have used those ones first. But I'm just kind of wiping things down with a Lysol wipe. We have a million of those from 2020, so I'm starting to try and use them all up. I'm making kind of I do this once in a while when I redo the fridge, a leftovers shelf, just so we know where all the leftovers are and they get eaten. And then I have the drawer on the right is kind of for meats that we want to use right away. I bought jalapeno cheddar burgers from Wegmans. They're so good, so I bought more. And then I got a pork tenderloin from Wegmans as well. And then I actually made the drawer on the left my lunch drawer. So I bought the Wegmans pre-made chicken that I usually heat it up in the microwave for a few seconds just to get the cold off of it, and then I'll put it on top of salad. But I bought it last week and I forgot all about it. But the expiration date on it is for quite a while. So I put it in the lunch drawer fridge so that for the rest of this week, I know that all the stuff that I want to take to work for lunch is right there. So, you know, you're an adult when you get really excited to buy a refrigerator. We've had this one for 3 years now, and knock on wood, so far so good. It is an LG InstaView. This is a 27 cubic foot French door refrigerator with ice maker and door within door. It's one of those where you can like knock on the door and see the drinks inside. I was so excited to get it, but I really like it. The price, I looked up. So 3 years ago when I bought it, it finally went on sale for $1,599. And I looked at the price now, and it's $2,500, which is just crazy. I know the price of things has gone up in recent years, but what I do when I want to make like a big purchase of something, or even just like a small purchase, my computer monitor, for example, I bought one, and then I wanted a second monitor. So I just went to the website and I bookmarked the page, and every so often I would go to that bookmark and just see what price it was. And eventually it was like the end of August when this refrigerator finally went on sale. So it is the beginning of May right now. Maybe at the end of May, like Memorial Day sales, it'll go on sale for cheaper. Either that or the newest version is just that much more expensive. So this is where it turns into when you give a mouse a cookie moment. As I say, you do one thing and then that makes you do another thing and that makes you do another thing, but hey, I was being productive, so that's not a bad idea. So this is the Wyman stainless steel cleaner that I use. Whenever you use a cleaning product, you want to spray it on your cloth, not on your surface. I think that's just like so that the surface doesn't get saturated and you don't ruin it. I don't know. I know that's a rule somewhere. So just wiping off the front of my fridge to make it all shiny and nice again. And then for the window part, I'm just going to use Windex. I like using Windex, the vinegar Windex, not the blue Windex, because the blue Windex leaves streaks. So and I just want to say how much I appreciate each and every one of you for watching these productive, cozy vlog style videos I've been making. This will be the third one. So thank you guys so much for watching these. I appreciate it. I like making them. It's a creative outlet for me, even though it's taking me a little longer to edit this one so far. So now I'm moving on to my stainless steel dishwasher. This was here when we moved in, but it's also LG. It's like that same give a mouse a cookie, you do one thing, then you do some other things, then it just keeps building. But the good thing for you is I was really productive and it's content. So I used that Wyman stainless steel cleaner on the dishwasher as well, and I keep wiping it off, and I think ultimately this one spot here is a scratch, which you can't tell. I've never noticed it thus far, but in this lighting, I think that's what it was. And then I also, my LG microwave that came with my house as well, using the Wyman stainless steel cleaner on that too with the microfiber cloth. And then going back to the vinegar Windex on the window parts. Okay, so next up, I had to wash off the grapes and blackberries I bought from Wegmans, and I wanted to show you how I did that, but I can't show you. I didn't want to show you with a dirty sink. So here I am cleaning out the sink. I know it's not the best angle, but practice makes perfect. This is the first time I've been doing this. Any other cleaning vlogs that I watch, they kind of have like this same routine and rhythm of like where they show their cleaning. So I'm hoping that I can like get into that. I don't know. That's the goal anyway. but just kind of rinsed out the sink real quick so it was wet, and then shook the cleanser all over the sides and whatnot, and then let it sit for just a little bit, and then I went around with the brush and scrubbed it all down. And then the most satisfying part is watching it all like rinse off and then revealing your clean sink. But I think I have to get like another tripod attachment or like a better tripod, because right now it just kind of has like the phone clip, and some of the shots you can't really notice until I point it out. But some of the shots you can see like the pole part or like part of the ring light stand on it. But this is all trial and error. I kind of just filmed myself doing these tasks to see, I don't know, maybe it'll turn out into a good video. And so far, I think so. I've been talking to Becca all day on Discord, and she's been kind of like cheering me along as I'm editing this video. So I really want to thank her for her support, as well as all of you guys for your support. I know the last video that when I premiered it, you guys were so excited and I got such good feedback from it. So here we are again. And then there is the satisfying reveal. I actually did some soap. I did Dawn dish soap just real quick to finish out the sink because I didn't want anything to get cleanser on it. Now I really want to show you how I clean off my fruit. I do this with strawberries, grapes, blueberries, blackberries, etc. When I get them home from the store. So I'll just take regular vinegar and put like a capful or two into a Tupperware dish and fill that up with water, and then put whatever fruit it is in there, and then just fill it up with water until it's covered. And then I grabbed another container, did the same thing for the blackberries, and then you just go do something else real quick, be productive while you're waiting for them to clean off. You just let them sit for kind of a little while, and then I will drain them out, rinse out the container, put them back in the container, fill it up with water again, and then same thing, kind of just like move them around a little bit in the water. And then when you rinse them off again, you don't taste the vinegar. In my experience, you don't taste the vinegar. And they come out, the grapes come out looking, they just come out looking so clean. And especially blackberries too, without like the little seeds on them and stuff. The blackberries, they look like so much more like shinier and like cleaner. If you look at grapes when you get them from the store, they kind of have like a waxy kind of texture to it, so it like washes all that off. And it makes your fruit last a lot longer, so give it a try sometime. Let me know how it works for you. Then I had to clean my crock pot out. I was gonna make some Sunday sauce. We get like this pre-packaged in a bag. It has sausage, pork, and meatballs in it, and then you just make some pasta with it. So I was just going to throw that in the crock pot, and it was still a little bit frozen. So I kind of just covered it with water a little bit before I started it in the crock pot. And I think I felt extra productive on this day because it was just so nice out finally. And I wish I would have gotten some pictures of my yard before stuff started growing, because it is already like spring has sprung. Like, look at how green everything is, and there's bunnies all over my yard. So cute. And now that I had all the groceries put away and kind of did that spontaneous cleaning of things, and my produce is washed off, I got out my leftover Chipotle that you saw at the beginning, the Chipotle conversation at the beginning of the video. And now just to get to finish off my day off afternoon, eating some leftover Chipotle, going to sit down at my computer.
Alexa, turn on the craft room.
And got to sit down with my leftover Chipotle, my Stanley water bottle, and I was working on a Dreamlight Valley YouTube stream thumbnail, and it took me like 15 minutes to do that. It's taken me 4.5 hours to make this video, so I really cannot say it enough how much I appreciate you guys for being here and watching this. I hope this gave you some motivation to be productive today. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.